Sir, I would like to draw your attention towards two issues. Yesterday, Honorable Sri Praful Patel raised a point. He left his point incomplete. He said that nobody has any concern towards the middle class who suffer the most due to the burden of income tax. Out of the total population of 125 crores in India, only 3 crore people pay income tax. Sir, I was a student of Government Law College in Mumbai in 1965. I remember that just after the presentation of the Union Budget, Sri Nani Palkhiwala, the most famous economist of those days, used to come and deliver a lecture on the budget. Once in his speech, he made an important point. I would not be able to exactly quote his speech, but would like to present the crux of his speech. He said that income tax should be done away with in our country. All the offices pertaining to income tax must be vacated, and all the employees of the income tax department, right from peons to the commissioner, must be given the charge of developing the nation. If his happens, then there would be a hike in the collection of income tax by 2%. In addition to this, all the malpractices in the IT department would be eliminated. Also, we could identify the loopholes existing in the system. Sir, now I would like to talk about the Chief Minister of Delhi, who was recently returned to Delhi after undertaking yoga treatment. The Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi was invited as a guest in that program. He was an income tax commissioner. His wife too works with the income tax department. He made an important remark. He made his point on the basis of his personal experience. He said that the inspectors of the income tax department earn rupees 1 crore every year. I would like to draw the attention of the parliament towards it. Nobody dared to say that many people are exploited by the income tax department. The exploitation amounts to 10 times the total income of the income tax department. And hence, I suggest that income tax must be made voluntary. Whosoever wishes to give whatsoever amount may do so by filing his return and depositing the money for the same. This should be mandatory because there is no mechanism to investigate their total income. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I rise to support the general budget of the current year as it is pragmatic, progressive and pro-poor. The Honorable Finance Minister, while presenting the budget, has fairly estimated the major challenges ahead of the Indian economy, like falling agricultural income, decline in manufacturing sector, creation of more jobs, insufficient infrastructure, control of fiscal deficit, measures to curb imports and steps to boost exports. To meet these challenges, the Honorable Finance Minister has given top priorities to agricultural sector. The latest Pradhan Mantri Gram Sinchai Yojana is aimed at irrigating the field of every farmer and improving the using water efficiency. Stop.